Hey, ciao! Ciao, baby. That's this little toy. What are you, crazy? Why? But why do I have to say that? I want to be a millionaire. Yeah. Stop hitting the fucking shit. I ain't got no fucking thing left. Jesus, he's been hitting the fucking olives. I'm not gonna have nothing mentioned this one. Hey, ciao. Welcome to my show. Today, I'm your chef Carmelo, and today we're gonna show you how to make sea best a Puttanesca. But before we start doing that, I'd like to introduce to you Johnny. Come here, Johnny. How are you, John?
What's up, dude?
Okay. You ready to witness this beautiful meal?
Yeah, what are we making?
Okay, we're gonna make a Puttanesca. I explained to you what the Puttanesca means.
What does that mean?
It's because it's a kind of a sauce that we have olives like you eating it, calamari in here, sun-dried tomato, garlic, butter. I will show you one step at a time how we're gonna make the sauce first. All right? Then I will show you how we're gonna bake the fish, the sea bass. Okay? We'll prepare, we'll get everything ready, we'll put them in the oven, and when that's out, the sauce will be ready. We'll put that over and ready to go. Okay, Johnny?
Let's do it.
Let's start.
Do it.
Okay, let's go. Let's start cutting the onions first, okay?
How are you cutting those onions?
Long way. Then this way, then we'll cut it right in the middle and ready to put it in. When the oil gets hot, we'll put everything in, okay? Then I'll start putting it in. Another half, which is small onion. We need 2 small halves. Okay, now, while that gets a little hot, we're gonna get some sun-dried tomato, okay? And we're gonna chop it out like this, see?
Oh, yeah.
That's how you do it, Johnny.
No salt and pepper in here? You want me to put anything?
Not yet, Johnny. Okay? Then we'll drop that in there. Right, next we're gonna put some joey in. Then we have to stir it around. Okay, throw this away. But this is, as it gets hot, they're gonna start melting anyway, so there's no big deal, okay? There you go.
You
See
like
how nice
anchovies?
it is? Little by little, they're gonna melt. The anchovy is gonna be melting nice, okay? And we're gonna saute them pretty much before we put it. Now we're gonna put some capers. All right? There goes the
Smells
capers.
good.
You could put all of them because I already measured. See, there you go. Capers on. Beautiful. Now we're gonna put some calamari on. Okay? That's how you do it. Look, put the calamari in. Okay, there you go.
Where'd you get the calamari from? It looks fresh.
What, Johnny? What'd you say, John?
I said it looks fresh.
Delicious, right? Everything is fresh. Okay, and now, after this, we're gonna put some parsley. Now, put it away. There's some butter in.
How much butter is that?
I would say about a half tablespoon. It's a tablespoon butter, okay? All right. You see, hey Johnny, see how
Yeah.
nice everything is curling up?
Oh, yeah.
The calamari and everything nice. Now it's time to put the olives in, okay? Okay. Like it, huh? It's your favorite olives,
yeah.
right? Atta boy. You could have all of them after it's done. You could have all the olives you want. Okay? All right. Now, we could start putting the sauce in, okay?
Yep.
We'll put the sauce in. Okay. And we're gonna stir all around. There. Right, well, the sauce is getting on, just very little salt, because you know the fish sometimes, very little, not too much, okay? Now we're gonna go with some crushed red pepper. Then we have to put black pepper. And little oregano. Okay, a little more parsley. Okay, once we stir this, Johnny, once you get to stir on like this, what I do, okay, this is ready. Now it's get to be boiling now. Okay? Oh.
You're making a mess. You're making a
I
mess.
know, Johnny. What are you gonna do? Now we're gonna put a drop of clam juice. Be careful.
Clam juice?
Little clam juice.
Stir that in there.
And a drop of red wine. That's it.
A little more than a drop.
Now let it cook really good. And we're done with that. Okay? Okay. Now we're gonna put the sea bass in a pan. The sea bass in a pan. We're gonna marinate a little bit, okay? Now we're gonna put a little garlic in a pan. This is gonna give you just a little flavor. That's all it is. It's just for flavor. We're not gonna do anything. We're not gonna do anything over it. So to put up some flavor, all right? Little black pepper. Parsley. Gonna saute this, little butter, put it on the side here, and then now we're gonna put a little clam juice, and the white Chablis wine goes with it. But remember, when this is done, we're only gonna take the fish and put it in a dish with the sauce. All these ingredients, it goes away, okay? All right, Johnny.
Yeah.
Put this pan into that oven.
It doesn't go on the stove? It doesn't go on the stove?
Yeah, yeah.
Or you want it to go in the oven?
In the oven. That sounds better, you know? Okay. Okay. Timing.
How much? How long?
Well, good. We check after 10 minutes. 10 minutes. It should be between 12 and 15 to get it done right.
Yeah.
Stop stirring it and taste it. Taste it. See what you think.
You gotta check the
Very
fish.
good. I will check the thing in a minute once you taste it.
Don't get mad if I fucking
I don't get mad, Johnny. I get even. Let's go. Okay? Give me the thing. All set? Okay. We're gonna take everything out. We're gonna just plain the fish because you got plenty of juice, okay? All right, we're gonna go clean it out. And we're gonna go right here in the middle here. There you go. Take all that out. We'll go here. And these two pieces will go there. Nice smell of juice,
Oh
huh?
yeah, you gotta pour that on top of there.
No.
What do you mean?
Well, if you make scampi, yes. But right now we'll make it with the sauce. You just can't throw this. We'll ruin everything. Okay. Right now this goes here. All right. Now we're gonna serve. Now we're gonna put the sauce in. Here we go. Hey, you hidden all the olives. I can find no olives. Look at this. This is for you, Jack. Taste this little piece of bread and see how the sea bass came out. Get a nice piece of calamari.
Good.
Very good. A loaf of bread with it. John, let's celebrate. Salud.
Salute.
You got enough olives?
Oh, yeah.
Do for today. Next episode, I'm gonna show you how to make a chicken princess, okay? And while I got this opportunity, I wanna say hello to a special friend of our family because the Morello family loves her. When Carmelo hired her as a superintendent of school, they hit the jackpot. Her name is Henza Macri. Ciao, Henza. God bless you. We will love you. Ciao, Henza. Okay?
Sounds good. What does chow mean?
Okay? There we go now. Let's see it again.
What does chow mean? 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 What does chow mean?
I want to be a millionaire, yeah. Stop feeding the fucking shit. I ain't got no fucking thing left. Jesus, he's been hitting the fucking dollars. I'm not gonna have nothing mentioned.